Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video on English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to take you through a day in my life. This lesson will help you learn how to describe your daily routine using simple and clear English.
Thank you, Annie. That's right. We'll talk about our morning, afternoon, and evening routines. This will help you speak about your day confidently in English. Let's begin with Annie's routine.
All right, let me share what a typical day in my life looks like. I usually wake up at 6:30 in the morning. The first thing I do is make my bed. Then I go to the bathroom to brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I drink a glass of water and do a little bit of stretching or light exercise to freshen up. Around 7 a.m., I take a shower and get ready for the day.
That sounds like a great start to the day. As for me, I usually wake up at 7 a.m. After waking up, I check my phone quickly to read any urgent messages. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face, and drink a cup of warm water. I don't usually exercise in the morning, but I do like to take a short walk on the rooftop for some fresh air.
After getting ready, I prepare breakfast around 7:30 a.m. I usually eat something light like toast and eggs or sometimes fruit and yogurt. While having breakfast, I like to listen to some music or watch the news for a few minutes. Then, at around 8 a.m., I start checking my to-do list for the day. This helps me stay organized and focused.
That's a smart way to begin the day. I usually have my breakfast at 8 a.m. I prefer having tea with a paratha or some boiled eggs. While eating, I like watching a motivational video or reading a few pages of a book. After breakfast, I sit at my desk and begin my work. I work from home, so my office is in a quiet room where I can concentrate.
After breakfast, I usually start my work too. I work as a content creator, so I plan my scripts, write ideas for videos, and sometimes edit them. From 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., I'm usually busy working on my laptop. I try to take short breaks in between to stay fresh.
Same here. I also work from 9 a.m. to around 1 p.m. My work mostly involves planning lessons, recording English tutorials for my YouTube channel, and replying to student comments and messages. I really enjoy this part of the day because it's productive and full of creative energy.
By 1 p.m., I usually stop working and go to the kitchen to prepare lunch. I like to eat healthy meals, so I usually cook something simple like rice and vegetables or grilled chicken with salad. I eat lunch around 1:30 p.m. After lunch, I sometimes take a 20-minute nap to recharge.
That sounds relaxing. I also take a break at 1 p.m. and have my lunch around 1:30. My lunch is usually dal and roti or sometimes biryani if I'm feeling fancy. After lunch, I rest for a little while and then check my schedule for the rest of the day.
In the afternoon, I continue working again from 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. I finish up any remaining tasks or prepare for the next day's content. After that, I take some time to relax. I might read a book, listen to a podcast, or go for a walk in the park.
In my case, from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m., I usually shoot videos for my channel or edit previous recordings. I also sometimes have online meetings or speak with students who need help. In the evening, I make sure to spend a little time with my family or friends if I can.
My evening starts around 5 p.m. I make a cup of tea and enjoy it while sitting on the balcony. It's my favorite part of the day. If I have any energy left, I try to do some light cleaning or arrange things for the next day. Around 6:30 p.m., I go out for a short walk or sometimes meet a friend for a quick chat.
Evening time is also peaceful for me. Around 6 p.m., I like to go for a walk or sit with my parents and talk about our day. At 7 p.m., I get back to my room and plan for tomorrow. I also read my notes or study a bit more about teaching techniques to improve my content.
Dinner time at my house is around 8 p.m. I try not to eat too much at night, so I keep it simple. After dinner, I help clean the kitchen, and then I take a shower to relax. By 9:30 p.m., I like to sit quietly and write in my journal or read a few pages of a book.
My dinner is also around 8 or 8:30 p.m. I usually eat with my family, and we talk about how the day went. After dinner, I spend about an hour doing light work or replying to YouTube comments. I also enjoy watching a short documentary or reading a self-help book before bed.
Finally, I go to bed around 10:30 p.m. I try not to use my phone before sleeping. I like to sleep early so I can wake up fresh the next morning. A good night's sleep is very important for me.
I also sleep around 11 p.m. Before sleeping, I take a few moments to reflect on my day and say a short prayer. Then I set my alarm and close my eyes, ready to begin another productive day tomorrow.
So, today we shared a day in my life to help you understand how to talk about your daily routine in English. You can use this structure to describe your own day step by step.
Yes, and by using simple present tense and time expressions like usually, every day, in the morning, and at night, you can clearly explain your routine. Try practicing by writing or speaking about your day.
Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it and learned something useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English with Altaf.
And remember, the more you practice speaking about daily life, the more fluent you'll become. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning.